An electric current is passed through an aqueous solution of mixture of alanine, glutamic acid and arginine. Their isoelectric points have been given. When the pH is maintained, pH of the solution is maintained at 3.2, at this pH the particles will exist in which form and migrated to which during the electrolysis process. Alanine isoelectric point, Pi isoelectric point given 6.0. For glutamic acid it is given 3.2 acidic amino acid. Arginine 10.7, this is basic amino acid. pH of the solution, pH of solution is 3.2. So at this pH, glutamic acid, exactly its isoelectric point equal to the pH of the solution, it exists as Zwitter ion. That's why no migration, it won't migrate to anyone during the electrolysis. Alanine, when compared with pH of alanine, the pH of the solution is less. So this is acidic solution. Solution with pH 3.2 is acidic solution for alanine. So alanine takes H plus, NH2 group of alanine can take H plus and becomes cation. So alanine exists in the form of cation at the pH 3. So automatically during the electrolysis it is migrated towards cathode. Migration towards cathode, that is negatively charged pole. Next, arginine, the isoelectric point of arginine is 10.7. So when the solution, the pH of the solution is 3.2, obviously this is acidic solution for the arginine. So in the acidic solution again it takes H plus ions and NH2 becomes NH3 plus. So arginine also existing in the form of cation. That's why arginine also migrated towards cathode during the electrolysis. So alanine towards cathode, arginine towards cathode, glutamic acid nothing. So now you check the options. First option, glutamic acid migrates to cathode, this is wrong statement. Alanine migrated to anode, that is also wrong statement. Alanine migrate to cathode, that is correct statement. Arginine migrate to anode, arginine migrate to cathode actually, but here given anode, that's why that statement also wrong. So correct answer is C.